a short video today to let you know that my French speaking practice workshop and my new website are both ready. First, let me explain how my workshop works, and then I will explain my website. About the workshop. If you don't feel confident speaking, if you want to be more natural when speaking French, this workshop is for you. It's perfect if you have nobody to speak with. This French speaking practice workshop includes 30 speaking practices. Each practice is divided into 5 different steps where you repeat after me from a single word to the complete sentence. Just like all the French speaking practices that you love on my channel. All you need to be able to follow this workshop is to know the pronunciation rules. That's all you need to know. It is suitable for all levels as long as you need to improve your French speaking skills. When you sign up, you get the first speaking practice right away. Then you get one every day for 30 days. Each lesson is made of a video lesson around 15 minutes. Half of the story are written with je or nous, so you get used to speaking about yourself. Others are about facts, so you get used to speaking about different subjects in different types of speech. You can also download the audio of each story. Each story has been recorded at 3 different speeds: slow, normal, and fast. So you can work on your listening skills. Then you have a PDF including the story in French and in English, as well as new vocabulary used in the story, hopefully new to you. If you don't have time to follow a lesson a day, that's not an issue. You can come back whenever you have time to finish the workshop. You learn at your own pace. If you want to sign up, the link is in the description box, in my first comment, and on my website. Talking about the website, my new website is ready. It has been in the making for a few months now, and I'm so pleased with the way it turned out. Bye bye the ugly old website I made myself, and hello to gorgeous designs. Beside the designs, a few things changed from my old website. You can now buy all my books, PDF versions, directly on the website. The paperback are still only on Amazon, but the PDF version you can buy it right away on my website. If you bought them on Teachable before, you can still access them. Teachable is still active, don't worry about it. This is if you want to buy new books. The blog is going to be updated daily/weekly with many articles for you to go back to and learn at your own pace. It includes a table of verbs, which I'm very proud of, where you can learn the conjugation of a verb, the preposition that goes with the verb, the expressions, there are examples as well, and verb conjugated the same way. All that is totally free. It is just a big amount of work on my side, but it's okay. If you go check out the website the day that it's uploaded, there's one verb for each letter of the alphabet. I will add more, it just takes a lot of time to make. So I will add more. I'm hoping to add at least one a day every day on top of other blog posts. If you are on my newsletter, from now on I will also send the list of the new articles that I've published during the week preceded the newsletter. I've also started a vocabulary table which works the same way as my little dictionary, where you can learn words by family. It's perfect for boosting your vocabulary. For this one, I will also add as well one a day, hopefully I can do that. But those are really quick to make, so it shouldn't be an issue. Finally, a table with the subjunctive is also coming soon, but that's only going to be after the release of the textbook, which is coming sometime soon. Like I said, all the posts will be added daily, weekly, so don't hesitate to check out the website for new French lesson. I will also try to add the audio of the example used in all the blog posts soon. I just have to figure out how to do it. So it might take a while, but it's gonna come. Let me know if you like the website in the comment section. I would love to know, I would love to have your feedback about it. And I am ready to go for a nap, I think, because as I record that, I'm already very tired. So on first day, when everything is live, I'm pretty sure I would be exhausted. So I will probably go for a nap now that everything is live. Have a great day. I will see you tomorrow for a new French expression and idiom lesson. À demain.